Hi there, and welcome to JSA Travel CRM training. This is me, David, your trainer for this session. I will walk you through the various sections for this training. These include how to log in, how to understand templates, how to make phone calls, how to add properties, where to find your new leads, and how to add notes. To log in to JSA Travel CRM system, you'll need to navigate to jsafreshworks.myfreshworks.com/CRM/sales. You will then enter the login page. You will input your email and password that you have created from the initial registration email sent from JSA Travel Admins. Select Sign In. Once you've signed in, you will see your activities dashboard. Send an email from the CRM system. All you need to do is click on the email icon in the top right hand corner, and this will give you your email screen. Send an email, select the To section, and type in the email or type in the name of the contact. In this case, we'll email David. You can write any email from here and start typing. However, the best thing to do is to use existing templates in order to save your time. To do this, select Templates and select the appropriate template. In this case, we will do an introduction to JSA. Click OK. This will automatically put in the name and your name and position title. It'll also attach our company profile. When everything looks okay, select Send. Click Yes if needed. And there you've successfully sent an email and utilized a template. In order to make a phone call, all you need to do is select the phone icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on this, ensure that your status is set to Available. Here, please type in the name or number of the person you wish to contact. In this case, we will contact an existing contact. So search for the name by typing in the name and selecting the appropriate contact, clicking on the telephone icon.
Hello, this is David speaking.
Hello, David. How are you doing? This is a test call from JSA Travel. Thank you for answering.
No problem at all. Bye-bye.
As you can see, you can talk as per normal call. So after your call, or even during the call, you may be able to take notes. I'll put it down as a test call. And also set the outcome. This is important as this can determine the next stages in our sales sequence. Please select the appropriate message. If they are interested in JSA Travel, select interested. If you've left a voicemail message, select left message. If there was no voicemail and no response, select no response. If they were not interested in JSA Travel, select not interested. And if you're not able to reach them multiple times, select not able to reach. In this case, we will select interested and hit save. That is how you make a call in this JSA CRM system. To add a property on the CRM system, you need to go to the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Select add property. Here, you can type in the name of the property. Enter any other information such as the website and phone number. Select yourself as the sales owner. If there is a WhatsApp number, add that as well. And select accommodation type as appropriate. Select save. This will then bring you to the property screen, which you can add further information, such as the website, if possible. If you click up the top, you can edit the name from here, enter Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn details. You can also add the location from here. Please fill up as much information on the screen as you can in regards to each property so that we might understand our customer more. Below this is our memberships area. Here we will add a sales membership section to see if we can get a gold upsell from our potential customers. Below this, you will see recent conversations. This will show all call communications and email communications and any changes that would have occurred. You may also form a call to this property straight away from this button, and you may also add a sales activity, such as adding a task for you or someone else to complete in regards to this property. You can add a meeting, or if you did not use the CRM system, you can add a call log in order to say that you've given them a call. On the right hand side, you can also add notes. To add a note, simply add a note. This is anything of importance in regards to this property, and hit save. Generally adding a property and performing your first call, you will ask who the person is on the other end, whether they're a sales manager, an owner, or someone who is important in regards to this property. In this case, I have given this customer a call, and the owner's name, his name is David. So I will click on the plus icon at the top and go add contact. I'll enter the name this contact and assign it to the property by doing a search. I'll have the email. And any other further information where possible. For Lifecycle Sage, select Lead. For status, since we have contacted them through the property, we will go Contacted. And if they were interested in JSA Travel, select Interested straight away. In this case, they were interested. Save. This is the contact screen, which is similar to the property screen. When making a sale to a property, it is always with people, not the property itself, as we are trying to sell to a person, not a building. Here you can send an email, make a call if there is an available number. So here I did not add a number previously, so I can add one now. And remember to always put in the country code. For now, I'm able to make a call straight away as well. And that is how you add a property and contacts to the CRM system. In order to find the new leads that have been assigned to you, you need to go towards the top left-hand corner. Under the Activities dashboard, there will be a Contacts and Accounts button. From here, select Properties. By default, it will select the view of My Properties, as you can see from the top. If not, click on the name and select My Properties. If you wish to see more than your properties, however, you can go All Properties. However, by default, we recommend My Properties. In order to see whether you have contacted a customer, you can see from here, last contacted time. This was not available. Therefore, you have not communicated with this property yet. Here, you can see that I've contacted this property 17 hours ago. However, if you wish to see what time the property was created and by who, you can go up to the top right hand corner and select Edit Columns. Scroll down until you can find Created By and Created At, and select those two. As you can see, they are now at the top. You can also reorganize these so you can see them further up in the columns by clicking and dragging. Then hit Save. So now you can see that this contact was created 7 minutes ago. So to communicate with this property, click on the property name and select Call to start the sales sequence. Thank you for joining JSA Travel CRM training for today. This has been David, and good luck with your sales. Bye-bye.